Hello everyone, daily commodity calls by the Vela Academy. So gold just tapped a make or break zone at 4143 and two completely separate frameworks are pointing to the exact same trapdoor below. If you're long right now, watch this before the next candle closes. Price is sitting on our RBI zone 4143 to 4133. It's a tug of war. Why? Because short-term bulls fighting a bigger bearish trend. Let me break down the fundamental fast, then show you exactly where I'm hunting entries. Here's what actually moving gold. One rule, gold hates high interest rates. Gold pays you nothing, so when rates are high, people park their money in bonds instead. High rates, gold gets ignored, and for low rates, gold shines. So it all comes down to one question: is the Fed hiking or not? Last week gave us a clue. The US job report came in weak, way below expectation, and weak job means the Fed had less reason to hike, and the odds of a September hike dropped from 67% to a coin flip. That's fuel for gold, and cheaper oil is also helping. Less inflation, less pressure on the Fed. But the bigger trend is still heavy. Gold is currently stuck under the 4380 ceiling, and the real tiebreaker is the inflation report this Thursday, July 10th. Cool number, bulls run, and hot number, these drops continue. So we don't guess, we trade the zones. And now, back to the chart. Price is reacting to our RBI zone at 4143 to 4133. Based on the momentum, I'm expecting a drop into one of these three roadblock zones to buy down below. The reversal prices are stacked from 4076 to 4037 all the way down to 3998. And the confluence for this is independent Elliott Wave analysis tells the exact same story. The count now projects a move lower towards the 3960 region, which is located at our last roadblock zone to sell. The deeper flush marks the end of wave 1, exactly where smart buyers hunt the reversals. Two frameworks, one storyline. And so the game plan for this week is don't chase and let price come to the roadblocks. 4076, then 4037, then 3998 for the wave 1 reversal. That's where we look for long opportunities. And remember, CPI Thursday is the referee, so manage your risk around it. Not financial advice, trade your plan, and see you in the next one.